YouTube, and today I'm going to be running a tutorial on how I built my server. Currently the operating system I'm using is Ubuntu 13.04, and I will run through just the installation in this video. Alright, current up, after clicking install Ubuntu, I'm going to be selecting English. For I speak English, I am part of the United States. You can try and have your keyboard layout detected. If you do not want to do this, hit no. I'm just going to hit no. I already know I'm using a US English keyboard. Currently it's loading the additional components. Network hardware. Alright, right here, pick a name for your server. For the purpose of this YouTube video, I'm just going to call it YouTube. Please place user's name. I'm just going to use mine. User for your account, you'll just mark the first portion of it, or you can change it if you want. I'm just going to keep it Craig. Choose a password for your username. Just put in a quick password if you want. It will let you know if your password's too weak. It'll suggest doing 8 things. Continue on the video. I'm just going to allow this to happen and hit yes. Encrypt home directories. I don't usually do this, so I'm going to say no. Current time zone. If you're hooked up to the internet, it will detect which time zone you're in, which that is correct. This is for the partition of the hard drive that you're going to be installing on. I'm just going to use the entire disk. That is the drive that I set up. And it's asking if you want to remove. I'm just going to say yes. Write changes, yes. Use the whole. Write changes again. Currently formatting the partition. That was quick. Installing the system. It's going a bit faster than I expected. All right. All right. I'm going to pause the video. All right, currently right here, if your internet access uses a proxy, you will need to type in the HTTP proxy information. If none, just hit enter. I don't use one, so it's just enter for me. Configuring apps, pausing during this portion. All right, it's going to ask if you want it to install frequent updates, basic for keeping your system secure. I'm going to go ahead and say yes to this. Install secured updates. While that goes on, I'll pause again. Nope, no, I will not. In this portion, what I did was I picked OpenSSH, which you're going to want to hit spacebar on these options. Kind of installed the server 3 times, not knowing that. And LAMP server. And I will go through in other videos what both these do. Hit enter to continue, and the rest of the installation will happen. Right now, it's asking currently for a MySQL root password. This is part of the LAMP services, and I will be going through a little bit of MySQL in another video. Alright, install grub bootloader on hard disk. You're going to want to say yes to this. This is pretty much allows your server to boot up automatically, and it gives you more options if you end up putting more operating systems onto the server. Alright, installation is complete, so it is time to boot your system. Make sure you remove the installation media disk, floppy disks that you used to make this work. Currently, I am using VirtualBox, and it automatically did this, so all I have to do is hit continue. The installation will finish up, and I will do the last portion of the video with it booting. While the server is booting up, you may see this screen for a split second. I ended up freezing it for the purpose of this video, but it will automatically boot into UmbaTube. Alright, now that we're in the login screen, we're going to log in real quick, and this will end the video. Pretty much type in the username and the password that was selected, hit enter, and you are currently logged on. Let you know that this program includes, welcomes you, gives you documents for help, system information, processing, your IP address, which is very important, swap use, memory use, so on and so forth. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you all have a nice day.